In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can create an infinite story. So what will happen here is anyone can join this project, and if you join the project, you're able to add a snippet of a story. The story that's being created, you can see down here, story snippets that have been written by Matt and myself. These are going to be added automatically into this Google Doc. So we've got a Google Doc, which I'll share the URL. You can take a look at this and you can add to this story yourself after you've watched this demo. So the other thing we'll do, as well as adding the story, and we can see who was the contributor in the team, we'll then also send it out to IBM's natural language understanding to get sentiment analysis returned back to us, and we're going to insert that into this database, this Google Sheet here. And you can see the story text added so far, and we get a sentiment score, and we get the sentiment positive, neutral, negative, etc. that gets fed through. So let me show you how it works. I'm not going to go into the way to set this up in this video, but you can join the team, you can do the task that I'm about to do, and you can add to the story. So let me go in. I'm logged in here in a test account, my Dr. Dolittle account, and I'm going to go into an infinite story, and I'm going to continue the story. I'm going to add segment 14. So you can see that in this task is being automatically created using the API, and we've inserted the last bit of information that's come back. Matt added this. I can take a look and I can see the ongoing story in the mobile app. I'm now going to add my story snippet, but I'll pause this video while I do that so you don't have to watch me typing. Okay, welcome back. I have added, you can see the previous update to the story was that she was carrying a sack of vegetables from the market. And so I put an update in, which I'm not going to read out, but anyway, this is my update. And also I decided to add an optional image because we don't have to, but people can upload images if they'd like. So here you can see my Google Doc here, and when I click this task, complete the task, we should see this appear fairly soon. There we go. So we've automatically updated our document and the infinite story continues. If we go back into the task, we're now at segment 15 for the next person. We see that the latest update was my carrot thief come back, and the next person can add their story. So that's the Google Doc being updated. The next thing is how we're using IBM to provide the sentiment analysis. And over here you can see my addition here, which is, you can see the author, their profile URL in task, the sentiment, negative, and the story text added. So that's how you can use tasks to have a crowd of people creating a story with sentiment analysis and it being exported to a Google Doc. Could be a Google Doc, could be a website, can be anything you want. Anyway, hope that's useful, and get in touch to talk more.